In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on Wix. This is a really simple but powerful way to make your website look more professional, match your brand, or just stand out a bit more. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own editor. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you've opened the site you want to edit in the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor and you can see your page, look for the text you want to change. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a button label, or any text element you've added. To start editing that text, you have two easy options. The quickest way is to move your mouse over the text and double-click on it. When you double-click, the text becomes active, and you'll see a text toolbar appear, usually right above or near the text box. If double-clicking feels a bit tricky, or you prefer to be more deliberate, you can also click the text once to select it, and then choose the Edit Text option that appears. This does exactly the same thing. It opens up the text editor so you can change how your text looks. Once your text is in edit mode, look at the toolbar that appears. You'll see different options for font, size, alignment, and more. To change the color, focus on the icon that looks like the letter A with a little water drop or droplet next to it. That icon is your text color control. Click on that A with the water drop icon and a color menu will open. Here, you can choose from preset colors or sometimes from your site's color theme, which helps you stay consistent with your brand. When you click on a color, your selected text will immediately change to that color in the editor, so you can see how it looks right away. If you don't like the first color you try, no problem. Just click the icon again and choose a different one until you're happy with the result. You can repeat this for any other text elements on your page. When you're satisfied with the new color, click outside the text box to finish editing. Don't forget to save